Part 1, A Rainy Day. It was a cold and rainy afternoon. Anna, a small girl with big eyes and a curious heart, sat by the window of her little house. The sky was gray, and the sound of raindrops tapping against the glass made her feel a little lonely. She hugged her favorite pillow and sighed. "I wish something exciting would happen today," she whispered to herself. Anna's parents were busy in the kitchen, and her little brother was asleep in his crib. She had already read her books and drawn pictures of trees, birds, and houses. Now, she just stared out the window, hoping the rain would stop. Then something moved near the garden gate. It was small and fast. Too fast to be a squirrel. Anna stood up, pressed her face against the window, and saw a cat. But not just any cat. It was white with blue eyes, and its fur shimmered slightly, almost as if it sparkled. It stared directly at her, not scared or cold. It looked magical. Part 2, The Cat with Blue Eyes. Anna quickly ran outside with an umbrella. The cat didn't run away. Instead, it sat calmly under the rose bush, tail curled neatly around its paws. Anna knelt beside it. "Hi, kitty. Are you lost?" she asked. The cat tilted its head and blinked slowly, then made a sound that was almost like a laugh. Anna giggled. "You're not just a normal cat, are you?" The cat meowed again, then stood up and began to walk toward the woods behind Anna's house. It turned its head every few steps, as if saying, "Follow me." Anna hesitated. Her parents told her not to go into the woods alone, but something in her heart said it would be okay. "Wait," she said. She grabbed her raincoat, left a note for her mom, and followed the cat. Part 3, Into the Woods. The rain slowed as Anna entered the woods. The trees formed a green tunnel above her, and the wet leaves glistened. The cat moved quickly but waited when Anna fell behind. She heard birds singing and leaves crunching under her boots. The woods felt alive, not scary, but full of wonder. After walking for a while, the cat stopped in front of a large oak tree. Its trunk was wide, and its bark looked very old. There was something strange about it. A small wooden door was set into its base. Anna knelt to touch the door. As soon as her fingers brushed the knob, it glowed. "Whoa," she whispered. The cat meowed and pushed the door open with its paw. A warm light spilled out from inside. Anna looked back once, then stepped through the door. Part 4, Magic Land. Anna found herself in a bright, colorful world. The grass was soft like a blanket, and flowers sang little songs when she passed by. The sky was a soft pink, and tiny stars floated in the air even though it was daytime. "Where am I?" she whispered. "You are in Magic Land," said a voice. Anna turned. The cat was now standing on two legs. He wore a small blue vest and had a tiny satchel across his shoulder. He bowed. "My name is Mio. I am a guide for kind hearts like yours." Anna blinked in surprise. "You can talk." Mio chuckled. Of course. This is a place of wonders. And you have been chosen. Anna's eyes widened. Chosen? For what? To help those who have forgotten how to smile, Mio replied. Will you help? Anna nodded. Yes. I'd love to. Part 5, The Village of Sighs. Their first stop was the village of Sighs. The houses were small and gray, and everyone looked sad. People walked slowly and sighed deeply. What happened here? Anna asked. Mio whispered, they've forgotten joy. A shadow called gloom spread across the village. It makes everyone tired and unhappy. Anna approached a little boy sitting alone. Hi, I'm Anna. Want to play? The boy shook his head. No fun here. Only sighs. Anna thought for a moment. She took out her sketchbook and drew a silly bird with giant glasses and funny feet. The boy looked. Then he smiled. A tiny one. Mio whispered, that's it. A smile starts small. Anna spent the afternoon drawing, singing, and telling jokes. Slowly, smiles spread. By sunset, the village was full of laughter. Part 6, The River of Echoes. The next day, Anna and Mio walked to the River of Echoes. The water shimmered, but it was full of sad sounds, echoes of things people wished they had said. I'm sorry. Please stay. I miss you. Anna felt tears in her eyes. This is so sad. Mio nodded. People carry these words in their hearts. But here, they float forever. Anna took a small paper boat from her bag. She wrote, "You are loved," on it and placed it on the river. The water sparkled. The boat floated. And new words filled the air. Thank you. I remember. I love you. Dozens of tiny boats appeared. Each with kind words. The river sang. Part 7, The Forest of Lost Things. They entered a dark forest. Trees leaned in close. And the ground was soft and uneven. This is the Forest of Lost Things. Mio explained. Everything forgotten ends up here. They found lost socks. Old toys, even forgotten dreams. Anna found a small, dusty teddy bear. She hugged it. A small spark lit in its eyes. I remember you, a voice said. A girl stepped from behind a tree. I lost him years ago. Anna handed it to her. The bear smiled. The girl's eyes filled with tears. All around, other children appeared. They found their lost items, books, shoes, drawings. The forest brightened. The trees stood taller. Part 8, The Mountain of Fear. Next was a tall, cold mountain. Wind howled. Anna shivered. Many turn back here. Mio said. This is where fear lives. They climbed carefully. Shadows whispered. You can't do it. You'll fall. Anna paused, heart pounding. She looked at Mio. He said gently, "Fear is loud but not always right." Anna nodded. She kept climbing. She remembered the boy from the village of sighs. The river of echoes, the teddy bear. At the top, the wind stopped. Silence. Then a warm sun rose. You did it, Mio smiled. Anna grinned. Yes, we did. Part 9, The Gift. As they returned from the mountain, Mio gave Anna a small, glowing book. This book holds your journey. Every act of kindness, every brave step, it's all written here. Anna opened it. Blank pages filled with glowing words as she turned them. Her eyes sparkled. It's beautiful, she whispered. Mio nodded. Keep it close. It will guide you. They sat by a tree. Anna rested her head on Mio's side. Will I always be able to come back? She asked. Mio looked at the sky. As long as you believe. The wind blew gently. The trees whispered, thank you. And Anna smiled. Part 10, The Dream and the Wishes. That night, under a sky filled with dancing stars, Anna dreamed she was flying. The stars whispered her name and gently pulled her through clouds of memories. Each star she touched lit up with a wish someone had made, a child wanting courage, a mother wishing for peace, a lonely heart asking for friendship. Mio floated beside her, glowing like moonlight. These are the wishes people forget to say out loud, he explained. Anna reached for a dim star and whispered, be bright again. It shimmered. More stars began to glow. Her kindness lit the sky. When she woke up, the sky was still glowing. Mio smiled. The dreams of good hearts never end. Part 11. New Friends and Old Answers. As they journeyed on, Anna met other children, each guided by magical animals like Mio. A boy with a laughing fox, a girl with a wise owl, a shy child walking beside a tiny dragon. They all shared their stories. Some had just arrived. Others had been visiting Magic Land for many dreams. Together, they learned about bravery, listening, and how even small acts could change lives. Anna and her new friends built a bridge made of music across a canyon of silence and turned a storm cloud into a carousel. And when Anna asked, "Why me?" Mio answered, "Because you chose kindness, even on an ordinary day." Part 12, Magic Land Revisited. Time moved differently in Magic Land. One moment Anna was laughing with friends, and the next, she stood back at the wooden door in the old oak tree. "You will return," Mio said softly. "When your heart needs magic, or when magic needs you." Anna hugged him tightly. "I'll never forget." As she stepped back through the door, the rain had stopped. Her house was quiet. The world looked the same. But Anna felt different, braver, lighter. And on her nightstand was the glowing book. Waiting for the next page. Thanks for watching. Take action today, not tomorrow. Press subscribe. And let's keep learning together. You're doing great. See you in the next one. Stay strong.